Hello guys, yeah, we are back again. This is Nyamiche, that's Nyamiche's TV. Please, if you're on this platform, like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can give you guys, quality and also, great content. So today, what we guys are going to do is that we are going to, use just 70 pesos. Yeah, that's 0.7 of our money to purchase 500 megabyte MB. Yeah, that's data to charts and all that. So let's proceed. First, you open your phone book, and for me to prove to you that what I'm doing is legit, let's check the bundle that or the data that I'm having. So this is how we do it. So you can see I'm having airtime of 50 pesos, and also the data is, or that's the internet bundle is 153.48 megabytes. So let's proceed. So you dial in star 567 hash as you are doing mashup. Okay, then one, yeah, you select one, then the mashup offers that is given to you, so you select one of your preferred choice. So let's pick one, or let's select one. Okay, so in this case now they are asking you to select one of the following. That's one option. One is 1 cedi, but because you want least amount of money to get that 500 megabytes, let's select option 2, which is they said enter amount ranging from 0.07, that's less than 10 pesos to 4 cedis, 99 pesos. So let's select that one, which is 2. Okay, they said enter amount to buy, so between 0.07, so 07. In this case, you can select any of your preferred option. That's 1, 2, or 3. So let's select 2. And now they said choose payment mode. So you can either choose airtime or mobile money. And I'm having small airtime. So let's choose airtime. And now you've seen, boom, congrats, you have purchased a mashup of 0.07. And because it's less than 10 pesos, you can do it 0.07, 10 times, making 70 pesos. And now I've been given 50 megabytes here. So now let's check, or let me prove to you that they've given me 50 megabytes. And first of all, when we were proceeding, I dialed star 124 as 2, and as you see, I was having just 153 megabytes. So in this case, let me dial again and see whether I've received extra 50 megabytes. Boom, 205. So you see, so you can do this 10 times. So after that 10 times, you see that the amount that you use is just 70 pesos. That's 0.7, but you've gained 500 megabytes. And because this is less than 10 pesos, now they've given me 50 megabytes. So if I do it 10 times, it means that I'll spend only 70 pesos. That's 0.7, but I'll rather get 500 megabytes, because any 0.07 I'll receive 50 megabytes. So times 10, I'll get 500. Please, thanks for your cooperation and everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and all that. Thanks. Bye bye.